Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Dave app login problem in 2026. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So there are a couple of reasons that you're going to be facing this problem. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection and try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data and restart your router if needed. If that is not the case, then you might need to simply go ahead and verify your email or password. Make sure that you're using the correct email address. Passwords are case sensitive, so it might be a problem. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and click on the Forgot Password tab and simply go ahead and reset your password if you have forgotten it. If that is not the case, you might not have the latest version of the Dave app. So what you want to do is simply go to your App Store or your Play Store and simply go ahead and update it. If you're on an Android device, then what you want to do is simply go ahead and head into Settings, Apps, Dave, and Storage and clear your cache. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and restart the app or device. And if none of it works, simply go ahead and check status.dave.com to see if the server is down. If that is not the case and you're using VPNs, then make sure that VPNs or proxy servers can also block you. Then the other thing you want to check is date and time settings and set it to automatically. If none of it works, just uninstall and reinstall. I hope this video clarifies everything.